You build your medtech for patients and revenue, but without approval, your device won't be able to reach them. To get approved, you have several tools at your disposal, like progress boards, emails, documents, spreadsheets, and consultants to help guide you through the process. However, when critical tasks get scattered across different documents, tools, and people, it increases the risk of stumbling at the final approval stage. Without that crucial approval, selling your device becomes impossible. Your device must be validated as both safe and effective, but navigating regulation is confusing. These challenges can lead to months of delays and tens of thousands of euros in extra costs. That's where Navigator by Medflow steps in, offering a streamlined solution to help bring your medical device to market without hassle. So what exactly is Navigator? Think of it as a compliance compass. It provides a guided workspace that breaks down complex regulations into an easy-to-follow, step-by-step process. Navigator assists you in approving your device in both the European Union with a CE mark and in the United States. Why do so many innovators turn to Navigator? Because it offers a clear path to getting your product to market. It helps you identify the next steps necessary for device approval, even if you're not well versed in regulatory affairs. Plus, it keeps your team on the same page, aligning engineers and managers so you can avoid any last-minute scrambles before seeking approval. What's more, you'll achieve audit-proof results. This ensures your documentation is clear, consistent, and easy to approve. Thanks to our You Are Here feature, specialists can easily pinpoint where they need to focus their efforts, highlighting current tasks and required documentation for completion. Navigator gives you everything you need for approving your medical device. It provides step-by-step roadmaps tailored to your specific product and market, with beginner-friendly guidance designed to empower non-experts, freeing up your senior staff's time. You'll also have access to ready-to-use templates, which take the guesswork out of what information is needed for each task. Plus, Instant AI Assistance offers regulatory guidance right where your work happens. Expert support is available. You can seek a second opinion from professionals on riskier tasks, and our project management module lets you note your innovative ideas as you go. Navigator was crafted by industry veterans, a team with over 20 regulatory approvals for medtech devices under their belts. Quite simply, we've built the tool we wish we had. Navigator is designed by Morten Togo Sorensen, a medical doctor with a deep understanding of regulatory affairs, who serves as the CEO. The technical side is handled by Vlad Manea, a PhD in computer science and our CTO. Together, we're here to support you as you take the first steps toward device approval. In just 30 minutes, we can walk you through crafting a roadmap for your medtech device with a demo, setting you firmly on the path to approval.